Welcome. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is you can see I have the first quadrant of the unit circle because I'm going to kind of expect that you have this memorized to be able to do these types of problems. And I also kind of have an idea of at least how to sketch an angle. But I'll go through things a little bit slower with you, but I'm not going to go through where these points came from. That's more in my videos of the unit circle and how to memorize it and all that kind of stuff. But let's say I give you a point, -8 pi, and I say, all right, what is the coordinate point on for the angle -8 pi? So the first thing we need to do is be able to determine where does -8 pi come from. Well, remember when we're sketching an angle, we always have that as our initial side, right? We always start there. And if we're going to go in the clockwise direction, that's going to be negative. Now, when we talked about pi, it's a horrible circle, but remember our radius, right? If we're going to take our radius and wrap it around our circle, we could do that 3 times. Well, wrap around 3 times, or go all the way around the circle would give us pi. So in this case, I'm trying to find -8 pi. So that means I'm just going to still go 8 pi, but it's going to be in the negative direction. So let's see how many times we can do this. So if I start here, all right, so I'm going to start here, and I go, here's pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi. So my initial and terminal side are exactly the same. Right where I started is going to be right where I end. So now what they want me to do is determine then what is the point that my terminal side intersects my unit circle. Well, so my unit circle intersects this point. This is actually in our on the x-axis. So that point is going to be 1, 0. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you sketch an angle and then determine the point on the unit circle. Thanks.